So today's our next topic is generations of computer. Students, we have 5 generations of computer. So I made this table for your convenience. So students, here first generation of computer. The time period of first generation of computer is 1946 to 1959. The technology used in first generation computer is vacuum tubes. Second generation computers have time period started from 1959 to 1965, and the technology which is used in this generation is transistors. Third generation computers time period, students, starts from 1965 to 1971, and the technology used in this period is integrated circuit. Fourth generation computer, students, 1971 to 1980 time period, and technology used in this generation is microprocessors. Fifth generation, students, टाइम पीरियड स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1980 एंड इज प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर जो है वो वर्क कर रहा है. इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो है AL एंड ULSI. स्टूडेंट्स, AL मीन्स artificial intelligence and UL means ultra large scale integration. So students, explanation of first generation computer. Time period starts from 1946 to 1959. Students, this is the earliest generation of computer known as the first generation of computer. The first generation of computer, when the computer was developed, is called the first generation of computer. Students, during the first generation, computers were developed using vacuum tubes. As we learned earlier that the technology used in first generation computer is vacuum tubes. Students, it is also called the core technology because it is the first technology which is used in the computer. So core means the basic technology of computers. First generation computers used the machine language, the lowest programming language that could be easily present and understood by the computers. Examples: ENIAC, UNIVAC, Mark 1 and Mark 2 languages. So students, here we have some advantages of first generation computer. First is vacuum tubes were used in first generation computers so that it could be easily for the computers to understand the languages. Second, due to the use of machine languages, computers of these generations were faster as earlier development. Earlier development that was developed before the first generation computers were not faster. So due to the machine languages, the computer speed increases day by day. Third advantages of computer is computers were able to perform calculations in milliseconds. So here are some disadvantages of computers, that are first generation computers were very large and could also cover an entire room. So students, the first disadvantages of first generation computers is they are very large in size, so they cover a whole room. A whole room is used to place one computer. So this is the large disadvantages of first generation computer. Computer of this generations generated too much heat and required large cooling system. So students, the first generation computers need cooling system, large cooling system, because they produce too much heat. And the third disadvantage is storage capacity of computers was very low. We cannot store a large amount of data in the first generation computer. Now students, we have second generation computers. Students, second generation computers time period is 1959 to 1965. The second generation computers begin with the widespread use of transistors. अब इसमें कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज हुई स्टूडेंट्स? ट्रांजिस्टर्स. In this generation, transistors were used. In second generation computers used assembly language instead of binary machine language. ये कंप्यूटर कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करने लगे? असेंबली लैंग्वेज. किसकी जगह? बाइनरी लैंग्वेज की जगह. And some high level languages are also used in this generation like COBOL, Fortran were introduced in this generation. ये कुछ हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेजेस थी जो इस जनरेशन में इंट्रोड्यूस हुई. So students, here we have some advantages of this generation. The transistors help to make the second generation computer slightly smaller देन द फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर। फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर में क्या था, वो एक रूम जितने बड़े होते थे, ठीक है, पूरा रूम कवर कर लेते थे। एक कंप्यूटर को रखने के लिए पूरा रूम कवर हो जाता था। लेकिन ट्रांजिस्टर्स की वजह से क्या हुआ, सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स थोड़ा कम स्पेस जो है वो कवर करने लगे। कंप्यूटर्स ऑफ दिस जनरेशन कुड स्टोर इंस्ट्रक्शंस इन मेमोरी। अब क्या होने लगा, यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी जो है वो मेमोरी में स्टोर होने लगी। कंप्यूटर्स बिकम फास्टर, रिलायबल एंड वर एबल टू परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन इन माइक्रो सेकेंड्स। वहाँ पे क्या होता था, मिली सेकेंड्स में कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म होती थी फर्स्ट जनरेशन में। यहाँ पे क्या होने लगा, कंप्यूटर्स जो थे वो फास्टर हुए, रिलायबल हुए और कैलकुलेशन को माइक्रो सेकेंड मीन्स उससे भी कम टाइम में कैलकुलेशन को सॉल्व करने लगे। स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव सम डिसएडवांटेजेस लाइक अ कूलिंग सिस्टम वाज स्टिल नीडेड इन द सेकेंड जनरेशन। सेकेंड जनरेशन में क्या हुआ, हमें फिर भी कूलिंग सिस्टम की जरूरत पड़ी, क्योंकि सेकेंड जनरेशन के कंप्यूटर्स भी ज़्यादा हीट को प्रोड्यूस करते थे। सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स रिक्वायर्ड मेंटेनेंस एट रेगुलर इंटरवल। सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर को क्या चाहिए था, मेंटेनेंस चाहिए थी रेगुलर इंटरवल्स। मतलब एक स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक वी हैव services of a car, motorbikes in a regular interval of time, they also need a regular interval of time maintenance. So this is also a drawback or disadvantages of second generation computer. Thank you.